Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself I am Laukush Jogi. I have completed MSc in Agriculture, Seed Science and Technology, specialization Seed Science and Technology from HNBGUS Central University Srinagar, Uttarakhand in 2020. I have got 52 rank in PhD program Seed Science and Technology from Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICR All India Entrance Examination for Admission in 2021. Today I am going to tell about the topic important events in Indian seed industries. 1928 Royal Commission on Agriculture submitted report stating that facilities for increasing the supply of breeder seed were inadequate and that varietal purity of seed was not maintained. 1957 All India Coordinate Maize Improvement Project began. 1960 Similar projects on sorghum and pear millet began. 1961 maize hybrids released. 1963 National Seeds Corporation established. 1964 first pear millet hybrid released. 250 ton of dwarf wheat was imported from CIMMYT Mexico. 1966 Seed Act passed come into force in October 1969. 1963 to 1969 certified seed production increased from 360 hectares to 35,000 hectares. 1968 Seed Review Team report was submitted. Seed rules form. 1961 Tri Development Corporations was established with World Bank assistance primarily to produce certified wheat seed. Concept of compact area development for seed production initiated. 1971 National Commission on Agriculture submitted its report. Government decided to reorganize seed production in India. ISST was formed. 1972 ISST organized first All India Seed Seminar. Indian Seed Science Technology. 1975 Project Report on National Seed Program was submitted. 1981 in workshop of seed technology under National Seed Program was held. 1987 an expert group on seed was constituted in October. The report was submitted in June 1989. 1988 a new seed policy to encourage import of seed and planting material was announced in September. 1905 IARI Indian Agricultural Research Institute. 1929 ICAR Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICR. 1952 Grow More Seed Inquiry Committee in first 5-year plan 1951 to 1956. 1956 Seed Health Testing was established in IARI. 1961 Seed Multiplication Team Review and World Seed Year first STL CSTL was established. Seed Testing Laboratory, Central Seed Testing Laboratories. 1969 SFCI, State Farm Corporations of India, New Delhi. 1970 seed testing laboratory was started in Tamil Nadu. 1971 in cotton hybrid CT petal MSCS. 1972 Tamil Nadu Agriculture University seed pathology was started. 1973 first seed technology course in India at Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. 1976 National Seed Program project first. 1981 NSP second. 1983 Seed Control Order under Essential Commodity Act 1956. 1986 seed certification was started in India. 1990 National NSP third. 1994 Government of India signed GATT approval. STA rules were revised. Abbreviations. 1921 STA European Seed Testing Associations, Denmark. 1924 ISTA International Seed Testing Associations, Switzerland, Norway. 1971 ISST Indian Society of Seed Technology, New Delhi. 1963 NSC National Seed Corporation, New Delhi, Central Seed Corporations. 1969 TDC Tri Development Corporation, World Bank Assistance. 1929 ICR Indian Council for Agricultural Research, ICR, New Delhi. AgriSet International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid and Tropics, Hyderabad. 1969 AOSCA Associations of Official Seed Certifying Agency, USA, United States of America. 1919 ICIA International Crop Improvement Associations, USA. 1969 SFCI State Farm Corporations of India, New Delhi. 198 AOSA Associations of Official Seed Analysts. 1922 SCST Society of Commercial Seed Technologists. 1922 CSAAC Commercial Seed Analyst Association of Canada. 1966 ISA Indian Seed Act passed. 1968 ISR Indian Seed Roll. 1969 ISA implemented. 1975 to 1976 NSP National Seed Program. ARIC Agricultural Research Information Center of types EMC Equilibrium Moisture Content GA Zebralic Acid MH Malic Hydrized PLS Pure Line Seed RVS Real Value of Seed TG Tropographical Tetrazolium 235 Triphenyl Tetrazolium Chloride PET Program Evaluations Organizations ODB Other Distinguishables Variety RST Registered Seed Technologist DUS District Unformed Stability PVT Primary Variety Trial UVT Unformed Variety Trial URT Unformed Registered Trial SCA Seed Certification Agency MSCS Minimum Seed Certification Standard SCP Seed Certification Procedures, SCR Seed Certification Regulations, Triple T Trophographical Tetrazoleum Test, EET Embryo Exercise Test, CVPO Certification on the basis of varietal purity only, OEEC Organization for European Economic Cooperations, EPPO European Plant Protection Organizations, AICCIP All India Coordinate Crop Improvement Program, AICRIP All India Coordinate Rice Improvement Program, AICSIP All India Coordinate Sorghum Improvement Program, AICMIP All India Coordinate Maize Improvement Program, AICIBIP All India Coordinate Bajra Improvement Program, AICVIP All India Coordinate Vegetable Improvement Program. 1966 Centro International de Mento de Maize Trigo, Mexico. IITA International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, Nigeria. CIP Centro International de Papa, Peru. CIAT Centro International de Agriculture Tropic, Colombia. CSH Coordinate Sorghum Hybrids, CSCS Central Seed Certification Board, CSC Central Seed Committee, GOT Grow Out Test, PBR Plant Breeder Rights, GATT General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, IPR Intellectual Property Right, WTO World Trade Organization, TRIPS TRIPS Trade Related Intellectual Property Rights, PEQ Post Entry Quarantine, NPSD New Policy on Seed Development, OGL Open General License, RCA Royal Commission on Agriculture, PPA Plant Protection Advisor, PSC Phytosanitary Certificate, IPCC International Plant Protection Convention, CVRC Central Variety Release Committee, SVRC State Variety Release Committee, FIST International Seed Trade Federation, TRIMS Trade Related Investment Measures, DDT Deccan Draft Text, APOV International Union for Protection on New Varieties of Plant, RFLP Restricted Fragment Length Polymorphism, GADA Glutamic Acid Decarboxylase Activity Test, VCU Value of Cultivation and Use, CHS Chemical Hybridizing Agents, TP Top of Paper, BP Between Paper, TS Top of Sand, SRT Seed Review Team, BSMT Breeder Seed Monitoring Team, TRP Trade Related Policies, PAGE Polyacrylamide Gel Electrophoresis, SDSPG Sodium Rhodius Sulfate, IEF Isoelectric Foxings, ELISA Enzyme Linked Immunosorbent Assay, PIBA Pot Immuno Binding Assay. Journals, India. 1. Seed Research, Indian Seed Science and Technology, half year. 2. Seed Technology News, Seed Tech News, ISST, Indian Seed Science and Technology. Currently. 3. Seed and Farms, National Seed Corporation Monthly. Internationals. First, Seed Science and Techno 1 1973. Previously, it is a proceedings of STA till 1 1972 STA Monthly. 2. Seed Science Research Monthly. 3. Plant Varieties and Seeds Monthly. 4. Journal of Seed Technology AOSA Monthly. 5. Seed Pathology News Monthly, Venice Institute of Seed Pathology. 6. Seed World Monthly. 7. Seedman's Digest Monthly. 8. State News Bulletin currently. 9. Advances in Research and Technology of Seed Review articles edited by STA. International Seed Testing Laboratories. 1. First Seed Testing Laboratory, Threndet, Dr. Friedrich Nove, sorry. 2. STA, Zurich, Switzerland. 3. Seed Technological Lab, Mississippi State University. 4. Seed Testing Laboratory, Department of Primary Industry, Australia. 5. Government's Seed Testing Stations, Wageningen, Netherlands. 6. Manitoba Seed Testing Laboratory, Canada. 7. New Zealand Seed Testing Laboratory and Seed Technology Center. 8. Danish Government Institute of Seed Pathology for Developing Countries, Denmark. 9. Official Seed Testing Center, Cambridge, United States of America. Thanks.